Principles. It is a simple and effective way to streamline your own health and wellness into whatever you want. Principles work for male and female at any age. And principles is broken into three categories. Number one, eat. Number two, move. And number three, live. And putting your health and wellness and all the goals you may have for yourself into those three simple categories will help you achieve whatever you want when it comes to health and wellness. Principles. Principles are what allow you to live a life consistent with those values. Principles connect your values to where you're at, to your actions. That's a quote from Ray Dalio. I found with health and wellness, if you can categorize yourself into three simple and streamlined categories: number one, eat; number two, move; and number three, live, then you'll have a ton of success and you can do whatever you want with that health and wellness. Principle one is eating. Build a relationship with nutrition through a clear understanding of nutrition. And eating is so personal. We have such a relationship with it. It's important to build this relationship and have a clear understanding of what we're really doing. First off, we'll develop an understanding of calories, we'll break down macronutrients, and understand energy balance. The energy we put in our bodies through food is also the energy we expend when we go into principle two, move. We're creating a caloric deficit slash surplus using total daily energy expenditure. We'll dive into learning about caloric deficits and surplus while looking at our total daily energy expenditure and how much energy balance we're plus or minus any day. Learn simple and effective ways to track your own nutrition. That is not too overwhelming, but we'll learn about the consumption of hopefully real whole foods. Principle one talks about prioritizing protein and connecting your nutrition to principle three, which is lift or lifting. And then lastly, the fifth bullet always talks about sleep. We allow nutrition to aid your body in restful and meaningful sleep. Principle two, move. Connect moving into your life with different balance and variety. Add movement in practical ways within your lifestyle. So how can we think about moving more that fits into my own personal lifestyle? Increase movement geared towards flexibility, balance, and stability. Learn about how important being able to balance and then having pliable muscles really is for our movement principles. Calibrate movement to increase a caloric deficit. An example, using high intensity interval training to work out. But just an example, as if you want to create a caloric deficit and burn possibly fat or lose pounds and weight, then you can use movement to basically just up or down that based on how much energy you expend each day. And then add activities of movement to connect with family and friends. Move with people you're close with. And then lastly, the fifth bullet in principle two, move, is to move rigorously daily to tire the body for beneficial sleep. Principle three, lift. Strength train and build muscle to transform your body, as muscle is the greatest indicator of a good metabolism. We'll use compound exercises, which are basic, to burn fat and build muscle, and hopefully align with some goals that you may have. We'll incorporate workouts in a push and a pull format, meaning push working mostly anterior muscles in your body and pull working your posterior chain. Learn about progressive overload and how to use it in a variety of ways, which would indicate getting stronger and adding volume. would learn how to track our workouts and add sets, reps, and weights to further accomplish our goals. And then lastly, the last bullet is always train muscles to grow through deep, well-intended anabolic sleep habits. That's just a brief overview of principles, but streamlining and making your health and wellness goals into 3 simple categories: eating, moving, and lifting can really let you accomplish whatever you want, whenever you want, at whatever age, and at any time. I hope you enjoyed the overview of principles. Thank you.